Alrighty guys, Mr. Wynn here talking about our Learning Target 8. Learning Target 8 is, I can describe the function, structure, and importance of nucleic acids. So, we are going to be talking about DNA and RNA. So the first question is, what is the role of DNA? The role of DNA is that DNA contains all genetic information. So the way you look is due to DNA. Okay, we got our DNA from our mom and dad, and because we have black hair, because we have brown eyes, and because we're short or tall, will all depend on our DNA. Number two, what is the role of RNA? So the role of RNA is going to transfer that information from DNA to make protein. So what happens is that DNA is a double helix. Okay, so it's a double helix or in the shape of a twisted ladder. And so what's going to happen is that it's going to unwind and it's actually going to separate into a single strand. So this is our single strand of DNA. So that single strand of DNA is eventually going to be copied by this RNA. So this all happens in the nucleus, and the RNA copies the DNA so that all the information that DNA needs in order to make product is now going to be carried by RNA. So that RNA is going to be ready to make protein. Now, number 3 and 4 deal with the monomer of a nucleic acid. So the monomer of a nucleic acid is going to be a nucleotide. So a nucleotide is going to have 3 different parts. So these different parts are going to be your phosphate group, which is found here, your deoxyribose or your 5-carbon sugar, which is found here, and your nitrogenous base. Okay? Now, the nitrogenous bases are the ones that are A, T, C, and G. Now, A stands for adenine, T stands for thymine, C stands for cytosine, and G stands for guanine. So, whenever we're looking at nitrogenous bases, it's going to refer to either a T, a C, or a G. Okay, so, and the last one, DNA looks like a double helix or a twisted ladder. So just to recap about our nucleic acids. So nucleic acids are going to be the last organic molecule that we talk about. It's going to contain all genetic information through DNA. It's going to transfer info from DNA to make protein, and this is done with the help of RNA. DNA is going to unwind from its double helix so that there's a single strand of DNA, and that single strand of DNA is going to be copied by another strand of RNA, and that strand of RNA now has information ready to make protein. The nucleotide is this structure here where we have a phosphate group, a deoxyribose, which is a 5-carbon sugar, and a nitrogenous base, which could either be a T, a C, or a G. And of course, the shape of a DNA is a double helix or a twisted ladder. Alrighty guys, if you have any questions, please ask me in class or you can email me. Thanks for watching guys.